Hey guys, it's Steph Willis, and today I'm here with e.l.f. Cosmetics and showing you guys how to get this beautiful rose gold everyday look using their Rose Gold Nudes palette. And by the way, they have updated this so it's even better. They updated from the old packaging, gave you a beautiful window to see all 10 shades, and they've updated the formula for all the shimmers so they're even more blendable and even more pigmented. So of course I have to show you, so now I'm gonna show you a swatch of two of my favorite shades out of here, comparing the old formula with the new. So my ring finger has the old formula and this one has the new. You can see just how much creamier and more pigmented it is. So to start out my look, I'm always gonna start with my brows. They're gonna frame our eyes and give us the perfect canvas to start on our eye look. And today I'm gonna be using my Brow Duo in medium brown. And what I'm gonna do is take a spoolie first, and I like to brush up the brow hair. And this kind of shows you where you need to fill it in. And then using a small angled brush, I'm just gonna fill in those areas that my brows are a little bit more sparse. So now we're gonna be using the Rose Gold Nudes palette. I absolutely love this for everyday looks where you could do something really soft and romantic, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna first start out with this really beautiful mauve shade and a big fluffy brush. This is called the Fluffy Eye Blender Brush. And we're just gonna put this all throughout the crease. This doesn't have to be super precise. This is just gonna give us a little bit of definition. And the great thing about these shades is you can totally build them up. So I just went in to that same shade, and I'm just gonna make this a little bit darker. Now to deepen up our crease, I'm taking this darker mauve shade. This one has a little bit more of a gray tone to it, and I'm going to use this blender brush. And this one is a little bit thinner, so it's great for crease work. And I'm just going to apply this right on the outer corner first. This helps you to get the most color payoff wherever you set your brush down. So I always start in the outer corner and kind of do windshield wiper motions. And whatever is left on my brush, I'll take this all the way to the inner corner. And because this is a little bit more of a romantic look, I'm going to be using this dark bronze shade in the outer third of the eye to give us more definition and make it a little bit more smoky. And with these shimmer shades, my biggest tip is to do patting motions instead of rubbing, then you get the best color payoff. And with that same brush, this is a flat eyeshadow blending brush. I am just going to use this really beautiful rose gold shade all over the lid. So to keep this look nice and soft, we're just doing a thin line across the upper lash line, kind of just to fill in between the lashes. So I'm using my H20 Proof Eyeliner Pen and creating a really thin line. Now that we've got one eye done, let's go ahead and catch up with this one. And for lashes, I'm gonna be using the Starstruck Lash Kit. This is the perfect lash kit because you get these gorgeous lashes, plus it comes with the applicator to make it nice and easy. For mascara, I'm gonna be using the Smudge Proof Mascara because you don't wanna be on a date and your mascara run. So I'm gonna be adding one coat of mascara and then I'll pop on my lashes. So my number one tip for lashes, especially if you're a newbie, is to size your lashes. A lot of people don't think about this and then you're gonna get stabbed in the eye all night. So you're gonna set your lash on your lash line, start in the inner corner, and you can see I have excess right here. We're just gonna snip that off and it'll be good to go. Now that we have our lashes on, I'm gonna start on the lower lash line. It's gonna be super simple. We're gonna take this darker mauve and buff out all the way from outer corner to inner corner on the lower lash line. Now taking the same Smudge Proof Mascara, I'm taking the lower lash side and I'm going to apply this to my lower lashes. I love this one so much because it has the tiniest applicator so it can get every single one of your lower lashes. So now that the eyes are done, it's time to finish off this look with a perfect lip. So I'm gonna be using two different products. I'm gonna be using a matte liquid lipstick in Praline, and then a lip plumping gloss so we get a nice shine in Champagne Toast. here's the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. I love this palette because one, the colors are so beautiful and versatile and wearable, and they blend like a dream. So I hope you guys will pick up this beautiful palette. It's only $10 for all 10 of these beautiful shades. You can pick this up at elfcosmetics.com, Target, Walmart, and Ulta.